Hi guys, we want to create header and footer with Elementor but without buying Elementor Pro. First of all, search header footer Elementor, find this plugin, install and activate it. Then go to this menu, click on add new button. Enter a name for your header, then click on type of template and select header. Same thing can happen for creating a footer. Click on display and select entire website and change user role to all other options available for other situations. Click on publish and wait for saving, then click on edit with element. Add a container to the page. It has two different options, flexbox or grid. We can use grid for header. You can also use width and content width options. For example, you can use two columns and one row for header. Add a new item and select container again and drop it here. This time we use flexbox for the items. You can select direction and how to justify the items. Then select alignment for horizontal position. Add new item and search for logo. Use the site logo widget and put it in our container. Select an image for the site logo. You can select image resolution and alignment here and put a link for when user click on your logo. Click on add new element and find text editor, enter a name and description for your header beside the logo. From this part you can use your own imagination and items to make your header by your wish. I just want to demonstrate an example for you. You can go to style tab and from typography option change the line height for better view. From this point I want to add a new container to the next column and add two buttons in this container. Then I add a border to the bottom of my header and select the color for the border. Then click on publish and open my website homepage. You can see the header I made in my website. You can manage responsive view and change options for tablet and mobile devices from here. You can also add a background color to the header and make it more visible. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe us for more videos.